Guys, guess what? Guys, you guys know I love soap so much. Like, I love soap more than lotion. So that is why I always create new recipes for soap and all that. And if you're into this business and you have customers asking you, please, can I get a soap that can whitening me, treat stretch mark, green vein, white patches on my skin, that would repair my damaged skin without using cream? I don't like using cream. I sweat each time I use creams. Please, I need that soap. This video is for you. If you want that 3-in-1 soap, most of you have been asking me, Precious, this your 3-in-1 soap, I bet how you take drum? That soap is active, it's do it all, it's very active. The thing they white thing, they treat. So this video now, I want to teach you guys how I make this soap. Guys, no matter how stubborn that your skin is, no matter how tough it is, this soap will help to whiten your skin. But only thing I'll beg is that if you want to know how I make this soap, big co, please sit down, watch this video to the end. As you can see now, at the beginning I'm just talking. At the end, that is where I am always serious. So if you want to make this soap, if you want that soap that whitening, treat stretch mark gradually. My soap not a treat stretch mark in 3 days or 5 days or 1 week. Because stretch mark is not like white patches or green vein. It's very hard to go. So if you want that soap that will help to treat stretch mark, green vein, that's your damaged skin that you don't use chemical spoil finish, just watch this video to the end. You can make this for sale, you can make this for your own use. Okay, this soap is extremely active. It's whitening, it treats, it glows the skin. That is why I name it 3-in-1. So this soap, guys, is very active and it's kind of natural. Okay, so if you want to make this soap, I repeat myself again, watch this video to the end. Okay, it's not compulsory that customers must use a full kit before she can get that whitening and glow the skin. Guys, there is a soap that is far better. Like, there is a soap that is far better than kit. So if you can dedicate your time, your money and every other thing to make that particular soap, you will keep on getting customer every day, referrals every day. Okay, so this soap I want to make here, and we have it in different sizes. If you don't want to make for your own use, if you don't want to sell because of the money and all that, because making product by yourself is always expensive to compare when you buy and resell or for your own use. Okay, this is our 1 kg and we have it in different sizes: 250 gram, 2.5 kg, 5 kg. Okay, this is our 5 kg. We have just one left. So people just rush the soap like, say, I don't understand. So if you have that tough skin, if you have that stubborn skin, you want a soap that whitening you alone and treat your skin, you damage your skin, use a product that damages your skin, just get this soap. Or if you want to make for sale, you make for sale, but please and please watch to the end. Don't fast forward, watch to the end. Okay,
so in here I have all my soaps that I'm going to be using for this production. I have my Ghana black soap, which is 8. I'm using 8, and I have my Ghana white soap. I'm using 3 Lion. I have my anti-pimple ball soap. I have my anti green ball soaps. I have my horizon soap. I use pink. You can use any color of your choice. You can use pink, you can use white. It's the same thing. Don't be deceived that white is for treating, green is for lightening. The light, all is whitening. Okay, and I have my Lalisa soap here. It's also a whitening. Okay, that's why I said this is 3-in-1 that helps whitening and treats your skin. So I don't want this video to be long. Okay, I don't want this video to be very long, so that is why I create all these soaps here, and I'm gonna go ahead and add the powders. But before that, let me first introduce myself to my new viewers. If today is the first time I'm stopping by, hi, my name is Fresh Beauty World. Welcome back to my channel. Please go ahead and subscribe and check around for some videos that we have dropped on how to make oil, shower gel, face cream, lotion, cleanser, and all that. Okay, guys, this channel is very, very interesting. Like anything at all concerning your skin to treat whitening, glow the right way, like supplement, everything you need to know about skincare, anything you need to get that glowing, spotless skin, you're gonna get it from this channel. So just watch to the very end. Like I said, I will not be dropping my recipe, the name and the measurement on the description again, because most of you just go down there and copy it without following the instruction. You don't even know, maybe at the end I will tell you, okay, this thing you're not gonna add, instead of adding that 5 is a mistake, just add 3. You don't even know, but just go ahead and copy it. If you want to do something like this, you just need to be very careful, listen and listen and listen to it again continuously before you could be able to, when you're doing it, you are sure of what you're doing. This is somebody's skin, not animal skin, right? So I don't know about you, but me, I so much care, and I so much care for my customer's skin, and you should be the same. Okay, just be very careful. Every time it's not all about the money, but at least the satisfaction matters a lot. Okay, so I have those soaps here, and I'll go ahead and add my powders. Okay, and you guys know that powders work perfectly on soaps. Yeah, very, very perfect compared on lotion. Okay, so, and I have my skill here. I have my skill here. So if you're into skincare and you don't have a skill, I don't know what you're doing. Yeah, you just need to get a skill, so you'll be very, very sure of what you are doing, right? Just get ready. This is somebody's skin, like I said, not animal skin, right? So I have my camwood powder here, I have my sandalwood powder here, I have my neem powder here, I have my sulfur powder here, I have my turmeric powder here, I have my lemon peel powder here, I have my rice powder here. So it's complete, right? And I have my miracle powder as well. So this will help whiten, treat, and glow the skin. And I have my coconut oil here, I have my omiaro here, I have my miracle powder here, I have my vegetable graslin here, I have my tea tree oil here, I have my shalom stretch mark oil here, and most of it all my honey. Okay, so let's go ahead and add the powders. I'm gonna measure them out, so let's go ahead and add the powders. Okay, so concentrate, and feel free to ask questions, and also let me know under the comment section the next video you want me to drop. But please go ahead and subscribe. That one is important. Go ahead and subscribe. It's not easy, and turn on your post notification. So I'll first go ahead with my turmeric powder. This is my turmeric powder, so I'll go ahead and measure it out. Okay, this is my turmeric powder. This is a 50 gram. Okay, this is 50 gram of turmeric powder. Guys, you guys are not seeing the measurements. That is because I don't even know where to keep the scale. Okay, but this is the measurement. Okay, so this is 50 gram. This is my neem powder. Okay, and I'm gonna add I'm adding 45 gram, okay, of my neem powder. This is my camwood powder. And I'm adding 15 gram of my camwood powder. This is my sunflower flower powder, and I'm adding 30 gram of my sunflower powder. This is my sandalwood powder, and I'm adding 15 gram of my sandalwood powder. So this is my lemon peel powder, and I'm adding 30 gram of my lemon peel powder. So this is my rice powder, and I'm adding 60 gram of my rice powder. Okay, so this is the powders I'm adding. So I'll go ahead and add my lactic acid powder. This is 36 grams, so I'm going to add everything. So okay, I have my shalom stretch mark oil. Okay, I have my tea tree oil. I'm gonna add a few drops. Guys, tea tree oil helps a lot with treating black spots, dark spots, and all that. Okay, it helps to treat the skin a lot, so that's why I love using it. So I'm adding a few drops of this tea tree oil So here I have my Shalom stretch mark oil, and I'm adding everything. This is my honey. This is 250 ml, and I'm gonna add how you like, how you love, adding honey to your soap. So here is my Umiaro, guys. Umiaro helps a lot to treat the skin like mad. It helps to treat rashes and other things. Like if your kid has rashes, you can apply this alone to their skin within a space of 3 days. It's gonna get rid of it. So I'm gonna add my Umiaro. Here I have my coconut oil, guys. If you're making black soap, make sure you add enough oil on your black soap. Okay, so I'm going to add my coconut oil here. Guys, remember we train people on how to make your own skincare products. Okay, you can train with us, you can resell from us. Assurance cover you. So I'm adding my miracle powder. Okay, miracle powder helps a lot to treat the skin, you know that, right? So if you want to train, guys, we train you perfectly on how you can do this without any complaint. Okay, so if you want to learn this, just hit our DM. Okay, and we also have this black soap available. Okay, we have it in 1 kg, we have it in 2.5 kg, we have it in 5 kg. Okay, any size you want to buy, guys. This soap is very active. It helps to treat like stretch mark, green vein, white patches, any skin reaction at all. If you have a damaged skin, guys, you can try this soap. If you have a damaged skin, if you have issues with your skin, you can just try this, and it will help to whitening. Not when you're treating your skin you'll be getting dark. No, if you're treating your skin, it will lightening your skin as well. So guys, all these powders that I add here, you can decide to add more of your powders, like whitening powder that you think that works perfectly for you. Okay, whitening powders that you think that works perfectly for you, but I added just lactic acid powder. So if you want to add more, you are free to go. If you want to add more powders, you are free to do that, but please do it with sense, because I have my Lalisa soap here, and Lalisa soap is very active. Like Lalisa soap helps you cannot even use Lalisa soap direct to your skin. I have my Ozone soap here, guys. Ozone soap is a strong whitening soap. Okay, let's just consider all this before pouring serums and all that. Ozone soap is very active soap that you can never use it on your skin. If you don't want to catch fire, you can never use it on your skin choice. So go ahead and subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, and make sure you smash the like button of this video. After mixing it, so I'll go ahead and add my vegetable grassline and my whitening oil. Whitening oil is very strong whitening oil, like very strong whitening oil that you can use to whitening up your skin. So this will activate the soap. So this is my whitening oil. I added my 23 gram of my whitening oil. Okay, so I added my 23 gram of my whitening oil, and I'm gonna add my vegetable grassline and my propylene glycol. Vegetable grassline is 72 gram. Okay, my vegetable grassline is 72 gram, and I'll add my pampered oil for stretch mark. Pampered oil is for stretch mark, green vein, any reaction at all. Okay, I add my pampered oil, and I'll add my recovering oil 30 ml. Pampered oil 30 ml. So this is my recovering oil, any reaction at all, stretch mark, green vein. That's why I said this soap will help to treat stretch mark like mad. No matter how bad the stretch mark is, it will help to treat the stretch mark properly. Okay, so propylene glycol helps to make the product to penetrate right to your skin. Okay, so I'm adding 52 gram of propylene glycol to make the product to penetrate right to your skin. And guys, you guys know my love for this Derma Plus preservative, so I'm going to add my Derma Plus my Jama Plus preservative, okay, to preserve the soap. You understand? So guys, just try this soap. It's very active, like super active to help the whitening, treat and glow the skin. For you to achieve a whitening product, it's not a must you pour the whole whitening ingredient. Be conscious of your customer's skin, not after they use your product they will start saying stretch mark, grieving. Let your product treat it if they have it. Okay, so this is my my German Plus preservative, and I'm adding my German Plus preservative, 30 milligram of my German Plus preservative, okay, to help to preserve the products. Okay, so go ahead and try this, guys. All this I add my whitener oil is very active in whitening the skin. Whitening grassland, I added my whitening grassland. It's very active, like super active. And as we're adding whitening items as well, try to add treatment. So that's why this soap is 3-in-1. Like, guys, just give it a try. If you have a stretch mark, green vein, white patches on your skin, just give it a try. If you don't want to make it, just buy a small one from us and use it and see how it will be on your skin before you make it for use, right, or for sale. But I'm giving you a few assurance. I cannot just waste in this economic hard money. I'll just go to market and buy all this to make a fake video. No. Okay, so that is just it. Just feel free to try this recipe and let me know under the comment section. Okay.